Latest information is coming from Kerala, where 26 people have died in just the last 24 hours, and it's all because of landslides, heavy rain, and in particular the havoc that has been caused in Kerala because of the dams that have been opened. Well, the latest that we can tell you is that whether it be Wayanad, Kannur, Idukki, Malappuram, the situation is tense. And take a look at Malappuram in particular, where the road just simply caved in. In Idukki, because the dam has been opened, well, villages and towns have just been completely, disturbed by the amount of rain. There's rain fury out there. The shutters to the Idukki reservoir is to be raised even further. The Chief Minister's office says the water needs to be released 3 times of the current outflow. And the Periyar river is likely to swell after the excess. People have been warned again through loudspeakers to be evacuated if required.